Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Slow Cooker Sunday and today we're going to be making something I have never made in the slow cooker. We're actually going to be making hash brown casserole, but we're going to make the copycat version of Cracker Barrel. I had to say that like 20 times before I turned the camera on. It's really hard to say Cracker Barrel. Say it 3 times. Crackle Barrel, Crackle Barrel, Crackle Barrel. Anyway, my husband loves this dish. I've never made it in the slow cooker. I've only made it in the oven, but I've made it like 100 times in there. No issues. And I think it'll be fine in the slow cooker. And he loves it. Well, it tastes wonderful, but he really liked it because there is a breakfast on the menu. And you have to know about it because it doesn't say it on the menu. I think it's like the old timers breakfast or the grandpa breakfast. But it comes with, if you know about it, all you can eat hash brown casserole, all you can eat biscuits and gravy, and all you can eat, I think it's their apples. But anyway, my husband loves it. That's what we're making today. This dish makes a great side dish for breakfast or for dinner, and particularly I love it at the holidays. So that's why we're doing it today. Thanksgiving is next week. And before I get started, if this is your first time here, my name is Cheri. I love food and fun, and if you love the same thing, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and check the description below. You can find some details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So this is super easy to make. Super easy. It's like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like 5 or 6 ingredients. I added some stuff though. I added some jalepenos. I think jalapenos make a big difference in this dish. Absolutely love it. So 32 ounces of hash browns that I've thawed out, we're going to put in here. And I do not think this is a big enough bowl to mix this in. I always think, I wish I had my hair in a ponytail. Like I could just like, is it I Dream of Jeannie? Or was it the other show, Bewitched? Which one was the one that had the, go like that? That's what I need to do, like, and that would just change the hash browns. And just like that, my hash browns would be in a new bowl. Wouldn't that be awesome if we could just like walk around through life? I think it was Bewitched, wasn't it? Yeah, if we could just walk around and change everything every time we wanted. Okay, so 32 ounces of hash browns that I thawed out. I'm going to add in a full pint of sour cream. So the whole container is going in here. The whole container. Then we're also going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Now, I have substituted cream of mushroom if I've been out, but it doesn't quite taste the same. So cream of chicken, if you can find it, if you have it. And then I've got 3 cups of cheddar cheese here. Actually, this is cheddar and cheddar, Monterey Jack. It's a blend. So I'm only going to use 2 cups of that. I'm also going to use 1/2 cup of melted butter. So that's a full stick. And then about 1/2 cup of chopped onion. And then, like I said, I'm going to add a little bit of jalapeno in here. So I just jarred jalapenos, just a few. I just chopped them up a little bit. And then we're just going to stir all this together. All right. And then once we have all of this stirred together, I'm going to bring my slow cooker over here. And we're going to, oh, almost forgot. We want to spray this first. I mean, it's not mandatory or anything, but it should help it to keep from sticking a little bit. All right, so now, I always hate the smell of that stuff. I don't know why. It says it's butter flavored, but it smells like spoiled butter if you ask me. But it does keep stuff from sticking. I'm just going to even this out a little bit. Spread it around. And that looks good to me. So I'm going to put the lid on, and we're going to cook this for 3.5 hours on high. Okay, our casserole should pretty much be done, except I'm going to take this last little cup of cheese here that we reserved. I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. And you can just put the lid back on your slow cooker and wait for it to melt. Or if your slow cooker's like mine and you can remove the insert, I'm going to take this out and I'm going to pop this under the broiler for just about 2 or 3 minutes. And I probably could have left that in there a little bit longer. It's not quite as brown and bubbly as I'd like it to be on top, but that's okay. I wanted to be able to get in here and get a bite. Doesn't it look delicious though? It's so good, and I'm so glad I did not forget to put the jalapenos in. So many times I forget to put the jalapenos in and I really miss them. I know that's not part of the original recipe, but I think it is a great addition. I'm also wondering if maybe garlic would be a good thing to put in here. Anyway, if you've never tried it, you've never had Cracker Barrel, I still can't say it, Cracker Barrel, their hash brown casserole, make this because this is pretty much what it tastes like and it's absolutely delicious. So I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.